Today, I just wanted to record a short video about how to get PowerShell set up on a Raspberry Pi because I think it's very useful. I know Raspberry Pis are usually used for Python scripts, but since I like PowerShell and I'm very familiar with that, I think it's very useful to be able to do that on a Raspberry Pi. So I'll switch over to that now. So here I've got a Raspberry Pi 4 that I just set up. So first thing I want to do is see if I can find the website instructions for how to get PowerShell installed. So I'll just search for PowerShell install Raspberry Pi. And I think it's this first one here from learn.microsoft.com. There's a bunch of information here. This will work on anything newer than a Raspberry Pi 3B. So it'll work on 3B, 3B Plus, 02, or Raspberry Pi 4. And I'm just going to copy these commands here rather than making a script out of it, because there's just a few commands. And there's actually one command that we need that is not listed here that I'll show you right at the end. So first we need to update. Let me make this a little bigger. Sudo apt-get update. All right, done. Next step, we need to make sure this is installed. So I'll copy this, paste it here. I did run through this before, so it's already installed. Grab the latest version. Paste that. And that just downloads the latest zip of PowerShell. All right, took about 10 seconds. And now we need to make a PowerShell folder. Before I do that, let me do ls. And it looks like the only new thing we've added here is the PowerShell zip. So now we'll do the creation of the PowerShell folder. ls. And we can see PowerShell is now here. Now we just unpack this into the new folder we created. Okay, that was quick. And now it says we can run PowerShell. However, I typically have an issue with this. Let's try it anyway. Permission denied. So for some reason you'll have to change PowerShell to be executable, and to do that you'll do chmod +x on the PowerShell, and now it should work. Look at that. Now we can do ps version table. And we're on PowerShell version 7. Now we can follow along with the book using PowerShell on a Raspberry Pi.